Mother love me long time, long time. Sucky, sucky, fucky, fucky one.
Hi, I'm Ajit Pai. I'm the chairman of the internet. Recently, there's been quite a bit of conversation about my plan to restore fidget spinners. Here are just a few of the things you'll still be able to do on the internet. You can still binge watch your favorite shows.
Im Gegenteil, man sagte damals ganz eiskalt, dass wir...
You can still stay part of your favorite fan community. You can still post photos of cute animals, like puppies.